Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, we're gonna talk about we'll learn some grammar lesson and also do some grammar exercise. So today's grammar lesson is about modal verbs in the past: shoulda, coulda, mighta, and in the fluency or in the common uh, native peoples use these verbs as shoulda, coulda, mighta, coulda, shoulda, mighta, coulda, like in a slang word, right? Shoulda, coulda. So these structures are used when we talk about past possibilities, regrets, or judgments, and should have past participles. So it's used for past advice or criticisms. Things that ought to have been done. For example, you should have called me. Yeah, you should have called me, right? Could have indicates a past possibility or ability that wasn't used. She could have won the race if she had trained, right? But she didn't, right? For example, but she didn't, yeah. You didn't. Similarly, you didn't. And here you also didn't. Might have plus part participle suggest a past possibility, often with uncertainty. Okay, it wasn't. He might have missed the bus. He could have missed the bus. He might have missed the bus, right? It's possible, but I'm not sure. We are actually guessing whether he missed the bus or something else happens, right? Okay, I would have. You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier, right? You should have told me earlier. She could have been at the party, but I didn't see her. She might have been at the. She could have been at the, or might have been. Could, right? Could have been, or she might have been at the party. Might have been at the party. Okay, might have been at the party. We could have taken a cab. Now we are late. We could have. Okay. She or he finished the report, but he kept delaying it. He should have finished the report, but he might have finished the report, but he kept delaying it. He could have finished the report. He might have. He could have finished the report, but he could have, right? Could have finished the report, but he kept delaying it, right? I should have studied more for the exam. I did badly. I should have studied more for the exam. I did badly. Okay, I might have. Okay, then let's check the answers and also do this tense mini exercises. Identify tense incorrect if needed. She has been reading for 2 hours before dinner. Before dinner, she had read. She has been reading for 2 hours. Before dinner, कर रही थी खाना खाने से पहले. Okay, by 2025, I will have completed my degree. When I arrived, they have already left. They had, like, she has been, or she has read for 2 hours. She has read, right? She has read for 2 hours before dinner. By 25, I will have completed my degree. I will complete my degree. I will complete my degree, right? I will complete my degree. When I read, they had already left, right? He had worked there before moving abroad. He is working there before moving abroad. He has worked. He has worked there before moving abroad. She has been working there. We were sleeping when the phone rang. We were sleeping, or we. Okay. We were slept. We had slept. Okay. Same. Let's check the answers. Oh, yeah. Correct. She had been reading for before another, because it's a past event, so the past perfect continuous is correct. Okay. Future Perfect future form of for completed action by a future time. Well done, right? Okay, past perfect is used for the earlier of two past actions. Okay, we were sleeping. Same simple past for interruptions, explaining. And he had walked. Past perfect used to show order of action in the past. He had walked there before. He had. What I use is he had walked. I think has walked. She has been reading, had been reading, and have already left. Had already left. Already left. Okay, had already left. Okay, that means I'm not getting correct answers. Yeah, so I will consider it. Okay, so please, if you wanted to see such more videos, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, My Fluency Journey. Please share that. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.